What's going on YouTube? It's your guy Top Down Kicks back with another video on these pair of retro Jordan Motorsport alternate 4s. These guys is very dusty. They beat down to death. They need icing, they need painted, cleaning, they need just about everything you can think of. These bad boys, we're gonna bring them back to life today. First thing you want to do is throw these bad boys in a washer. You can use any detergent. You can put a little bit of bleach, but make sure you don't forget to scrub a little bit between the washes. I prefer taking the laces out, but today we're gonna leave them in. But look at this, guys. These bad boys came out fantastic. They came out magnificent. And all they need is just a couple ice sessions right off the dribble, guys. I got my paintbrush for the icing. I got my shoe sauce. Comment down below if you want to know more about that. And of course, we got our saran wrap. Now, right off the jump, you want to go ahead and put more sauce it down, sauce it on the side a little bit on the midsole, not the uppers. And then, top it off with that saran wrap, and then boom, just like that, we're gonna go slide straight to the ice box. Here's my setup, guys, and I want to tell you right off the jump, this is not how you supposed to set up your icing. That machine has fans underneath, and you can block that fans that can cause a fire. I'm just showing you guys what my box look like. But unfortunately, that icing machine supposed to go on top of the box, not inside the box where it's blocking the fans. Very next day though, hours, a whole day after, boom, these bad boys came out glisten. Swag surfing, look at that, man. Wow. No, I'm just kidding, but let's go ahead and slide these bad boys to the sink. And we're going to go ahead and wash this, so I'll see you guys here in a second. Boom, look at that, man. If you go back from the first part of the video, these bad boys was filthy. They was yellowing. The gray wasn't even there. Now look at it. They just need a little bit more paint, acetone, paint, razor, paintbrush, and pluck away. We're gonna dab some of this acetone, put it on this front toe, and we're gonna get the remaining of any dirt, stain, any gunk, anything, including your mama. I'm just kidding, but you're gonna go ahead and just finish up that back heel with all those scratch and scuff marks. This acetone will remove any of those defects. Now bust out that paint, boy. Let's get it popping. We're gonna go ahead and take light coat, smooth surf, smooth swerving swells. Go ahead and just take your time. Just like Lil Shorty said, take your time. Relax yourself. Show me what you got. Show me what you working with. No, I'm just kidding, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this process up, guys. Speed it up so we can go ahead and get done with this part of the shoe, man. I'm tired, I'm sleepy, okay? So we're gonna bust out that white paint. We're gonna brush to the left, just a little bit. One coat, guys. 2 heavy coats is too much for the small part of this portion of the area. We're just gonna go ahead and take your time, get the rest of the little bit of mark. I'm a professional at this, man. I don't need no tape. I'm quick with it. I'm like James Bond, GoldenEye with it. You see that, man? I ain't even miss a mark. So we're gonna bust out the acetone, clean up any flaws that we did, any mess ups. So we're gonna just catch up. Guys, I'm not perfect. We all make mistakes. So back at it on that midsole. Bust out that black brush, paint. Now on this last part, guys, all jokes aside, I got this matte finish. When you use this product, you got to spray one time away from the shoe. That first spray is always a flaw to it. So to the left with the spray, then back to the right, one stroke, pause though. One spray, another spray, 2 spray, 3 spray, another one, 1, 2. And look at that. Magnificent. Fantastic. Absolute great job. You can't tell me I'm the bestest. Like DJ Khaled, we the best. So, if you enjoy watching this video, and if you made it this far, guys, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe. Any recommend? Leave it down in the comment down below. Check it out. And if you enjoy, like I said, thumbs up. Catch you guys later. Peace.